As we do every day, we want to zoom out to the monthly chart. As we can see here, the monthly remains in a balance. We did trade higher yesterday, and we're trading relatively close to the high now. You can see current price 02, the high was 08, so not very far off from the high here. Continuing above this balance. Well, this is actually the NASDAQ too. That's what I was looking at. There's a good setup if we break from balance. The NASDAQ's kind of already there and it's a little bit stronger. Might be the play. But ES is in very similar situation. It's lagging a little bit because the high was 49.37, so about 10 points off. So a little bit of a laggard. But the NASDAQ might get a run today, especially with the NVIDIA earnings. So the NASDAQ might be the play. But on a monthly basis, really you're getting that opportunity to go a break out of balance, and you don't really want to be fighting that. That's kind of the clear, that's kind of what's clear. So really, if you're going to get short, you're going to want to do it back underneath at least the 53.22, but I'm really looking for that 53.17 quarter to really start feeling a little bit more confident in short trades. Switching over to the weekly, maybe. You can see we're still inside the previous week's range, right? Basically tapped the high, back to trading, near the high right now. Yesterday's close was 45 quarter, so, just 4 points off of the high. Going to be an important piece to try to hold that. Really, the key level that we're looking for on the weekly basis is that 53.27 quarter. So 53.27 quarter, in between that and 53.17, that's going to be where buyers are going to have to make their stand if they want to keep this as a breakout. Switching over to the daily, we can see yesterday was just narrowly, if it switches, what's the deal here with this thing? Schwab's already losing it. All right. Well, oh, there we go. So we can see yesterday remained inside balance. Going to want to be paying attention to this 53.31. That's that daily 5. And then you've got the weekly 9, or the daily 9 here, 52.95. So a couple of references here if there is a pullback to pay attention to for trend traders. Switching over to the profiles, we could see yesterday relatively, inside yesterday's area. We traded below the low on the open, right? We traded open, we're basically at the low, broke it, came back in, got a P-shaped pullback right back into our, well, it was a buy zone yesterday, and today's a little bit different. And then that continuation here. So today, what I'm thinking is basically where we're at. If the market can hold this 36, 35 area, you will get that opportunity to trade back towards that high. Below that, I think it just starts to get, kind of choppy on the, it's like a larger distribution at this point. Possible from yesterday's open, if we don't break that low, that'd be a sign of weakness in the selling, and I think maybe along from there. But other than that, then we start to chop, and then I start to really kind of lean short below this 53.17 because it's that prior month's low, and it's kind of representing a failed breakout of balance after all of this time spent above. So definitely something to pay attention to. But that is pretty much it. We do have some news today. Home sales is at 10, not really that important. You got crude oil inventories if you want to jump over to the CL and trade the CL. And then at 2 o'clock, we have the Fed minutes. That should be a decent market mover, and that'll be something that we definitely want to be paying attention to. There's going to be probably some opportunity around that time. So if we open up and then the market starts to get slow, jump off, take a break, get a workout in, and then jump back on toward a little bit before 2 o'clock to get ready for that. But other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you're managing risk and sticking to your trade plan, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.